Dear Helen, why are you here?
I want to make that wonderful pavlova, and I'm not able to do it. So please, could you teach me how to do it?
Well, let's start by putting the eggs apart from the whites. This is what you do. After every egg you separated, you put this in the boil. Always make sure just touch everything with this fresh lemon. It will make sure that it will be grease-free. And we will put a little bit of salt in it. Oh, it makes the egg white become stiff. You weigh 250 grams of very fine sugar. And what we're going to do now is she's going to mix, and we very slowly will put 1 spoon a time, because if you would put all the sugar in at once, I think you did, you will, all the air will collapse. When you make a pavlova, you start at 195. When you've put the pavlova in, you'll lower it to 140, and you will keep it in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minute. I'll put the last bit in, and now we mix until the sugar is dissolved. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you sure?
Yes. Because we also want our pavlova to be gooey, like marshmallowy inside, we put some cornstarch in, and I'll put some beautiful vinegar in.
Again, these were 4 eggs, really?
Yeah.
Just the 4 eggs?
Yeah, unbelievable, huh? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And not even the whole egg, just the white. But if you want to start with the pavlova, as you can see, the sugar has not totally dissolved, but it will do.
Do you make it really flat, or?
No, it's going to be like this. It will grow.
Can you make it flatter, or is this the minimum size?
But it will grow.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to put it in the oven now. And remember, when you have put it in, you put the oven to 140.
I'm going to finish the bowl. The good thing about pavlova is if it doesn't work out in the oven, you can just eat it like this. Beautiful.
The tart is cooled down, so I just... And what we do next, so what do we like? We like the crispiness and we like the gooiness. So what do? We just turn it around. Just be courageous. And now we're going to make whipped cream. This is 500, so this is, I'll take about half.
Do we add the sugar?
Yes, you add sugar, yes,
yeah?
of course. Now,
there we go. Yeah, there we go.
as you can see, I made a little mess of it, but this is the way it should look. What we do now is...
Yeah, you put the whipped cream. Okay, so you put it on. Can you put flowers on it as well?
Yes.
Okay, the decoration.
Now I'm going to decorate it with strawberries, and I just halve them.
It's funny how you stick them in instead of just putting them down.
Yeah, so they won't fall down. To also put the stem on. Well, does this look splendid or doesn't it? The people will really, and it's a crowd pleaser because men and women love this pavlova.
Calories.
And my friend keeps eating my blueberries instead of putting them on the pie. Don't put it in your mouth.
We have more. It looks absolutely splendid. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to put some sugar on it, some powder. Oh, yep, there we go.
Yeah, yeah.
Not too much, not too little. Look at it, it looks perfect.
Just a little bit snow.
Again, not too many calories.
And Helena, do you think you will be able to copy this?
I love it and it looks beautiful, so I'm going to make it next time. Thanks for having me.